Lovely viewers, welcome once again to the channel. Today we are coming to you live from Daban in the Ashanti region of Ghana. Daban is a very beautiful location or area in the Ashanti region, just after the Atinga Junction. When you are heading to Sokoban, when you pass through Ahojo, you get to Atinga, then you get to Daban. My checks when I was taking this video made me to understand that we have Daban Ketwa, which is also known as the Daban Achiase. Then we have the Daban Penny. That names really baffled me, and I went ahead to make more inquiries about what those names really meant. And upon my checks, I came to realize that the Okomfanoche named that place since the wife of Otumfo Osei the first was coming from that town. So it's also known as Ohenire Krum. That's the Daban Achiase. It's a very nice place. When you get there, you see nice, beautiful buildings. Even the new site, which is the Daban Penny, features a lot of beautiful buildings, well structured buildings with a lot of nice layouts you can see from that place. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will entreat you to do well and subscribe to the channel. Click on the red subscribe button, wait for some few minutes, you see a notification bell, click on it to become part of this amazing Sunset family, so that anytime that we post our videos, you will be prompted. Please do well to like, comment and share our videos for others to enjoy the good content that we are giving to you. Where you are seeing your shots right now is the Daban Achiase. We have some couple of new factories around. Then we have nice, beautiful buildings, all located in this vicinity or this area. This is Daban Achiase. On your right, you can see the old town. This is the Daban old town, nicely laid out. Very nice place. And where you can see now is the Daban Penny. That's the Daban new site. And you are heading to Sokoban, you get to Daban Achiase before you reach Daban Penny. The road has been tarred nicely. During the days past, the place was looking dusty. When the road was being constructed, it took them so many years before this nice road was done for them. When you are heading to Kumasi Metropolitan or main town, Ahojo, on your left, that's where you find most of the beautiful buildings in this area. When you are going to Sokoban, on your right, you see this place. It's a very nice area. Promise you that we are going to give you good content, nice and beautiful videos every time, and we are truly fulfilling our promise we made to you.